Yo, Lord Woodslinger, Titus, what up? Sharpnel, what's good? Yash, howdy. I don't know how long I'm going to hang out for. I'm fucking shot, but I will hang out for a little bit. Haven't done a live stream during the overnight in a while. The fuck is that? 927. That's weird. Not yet. Not yet, Lord Woodslinger. What's up, Mentalix? Pay to play. Thomas. Trade Bitcoin. Oh, nice. XRP popped. I like when XRP pops. Coach Calvin. Actually, yeah, that's a good fucking question, Mentalix. Tony C. It's a good question. I might have it. I gotta look. I'm gonna look right now. I definitely had completed day 5. Let's see. Yeah, yep, it's there. I don't know if I want to activate it now. I don't think I want to activate it now. The NQ has just been fucking pumping. What else can I log into? Show you what I did so far. I had a fucking Wealth Sharts rebuild come through 90% off. And then I have like 27 more Apex rebuilds coming on like Friday, tomorrow, or over the weekend at 90% off. Twan, what up? Bowser, yo, Jim Blob, Mayo. What happened? Nothing really. Is what's been going on all fucking night. That's what's happening. I mean, look at the NQ right here. This is the NQ today. Well, this is yesterday and this session. Let me go to the hourly. We're up, you know, a little over 1%, but I mean, we're up since we bottomed yesterday. We're up almost 600 points from the low of yesterday. And what I'm noticing here, I don't know if this means anything, but it looks like we got ourselves a whack Arnold's W. I see a double bottom. I mean, this shit. I mean, fuck. What's up, Marco? Yo, Jim Blob. Yeah. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I don't even know if people used to like, look forward to hanging out, and I haven't done one in a while, and I feel bad because I liked hanging out too. My schedule got all fucked up when my wife and kids flew to Florida to hang out with Patrick, to hang out with their real dad. And ever since then, like I just been like sleeping through this shit. Donzo, what up? Jay Jackson, whoo, Thanos, what's good? I mean, Jesus, just keeps going up. We went sideways for a couple of hours, and all of a sudden, it just went poof, because fucking Trump puts out a truth saying something about a conference. There's going to be a big news about a big deal about a big country and all this shit, and then the market goes fucking berserk. The NQ went up, and then gold went down. What's interesting about gold is if you look at the fucking daily, let me go to the daily. From this high to this low, look what we rejected right at the top of the golden shower pocket. I don't think we're done going up. So, if I draw myself a happy little Fibonacci from this low to this high, I mean, shit. Look what we bounced off of. The fucking midline, the 50 line, the 50-cent line. So I don't know, it could come down even more to, the 618. You got this pivot point right at almost the bottom of the golden shower pocket to back to the upside. Pimp Daddy, what's up, motherfucker? Twan on. I'm joking. It was a family thing. A big family thing. And I stuck around to hang out with the dogs. Some of us got to work around here, What up, GMAT? Speaking of earning, you guys want to see what my Apex pending payout requests are looking like? You guys want to see where we're at with that? Nothing's changed. Still fucking pending. Still pending since April 30th. This one got approved. The next morning, this one was approved. These I requested on Monday. So I still have $8,000 in pending payouts with Apex. Not sure what the holdup is on this one, to be honest with you. I feel like it fell through the cracks. Hopefully, whenever they get around to looking at these three, they'll say, oh shit, this one needs to be fucking looked at too. Yeah, so that's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping whoever goes in to look at these three, when they get around to it, they'll be like, oh, look, this one, why is this one still pending from April 30th? It's been 8 days. Neo, I'm not taking the bait. Why would what's interesting? Yeah, of course they do. All these prop firms do. And anybody who does, I mean, if you fuck up at that point, that's what you get, What up, David Schneider? But this one got approved. Why did this one get approved overnight? I requested this one Friday. We had a little payout request party. Requested this pretty much around the same exact time as I requested this one. But this one I requested on Wednesday. I requested this one 2 days later. And then in the morning, it was approved. I woke up and it was already approved. And I got the payment sent email on Monday. So like chances are like probably Friday morning, the money's going to be in the bank account already. TJP. Dude, imagine. That would be fucking crazy. That's what my fund of futures has over everyone else. The fact that they pay so fucking fast. Yeah, me too, Jay Jackson. I might be resuming it today. Look what's going on in my Take Proper Trader account, by the way. So I have the one that I got to activate. By the way, the 30% off deal is still going on. 30% off, no activation fee. when you use the most exclusive, the biggest, the bestest, the largest coupon code ZERODAYJAY. Ooh. But look what else I have going on in here. What the fuck? Hold on a sec. Hold up, though. I don't want something to show that I don't want to show when I try to expand this fucking tab. There we go. My bad. My bad. My B. All right. All right. Here's my Take Profit Trader account. So that account that's waiting to be activated is no longer in here, right? These are three. This one is on day 5. I just closed out. This is day 5, so this one's clinched. 382. So that makes 2 funded Take Profit Trader accounts. This one is on day 2. I just pushed it over today. That makes 3. And then this one, I got day 3 in today, which, you know, for a Thursday session, which makes 4. So I'm 4/5 of the way to having 5 funded Take Profit Trader accounts at the same time. Now the next step is, can I get all of these to fucking payouts daily? Dan fucking posted it. Hold on a sec. I'll show you in the Discord. Where is it? Here, right here. Big news conference tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. The Oval Office concerning a major trade deal with representatives of a big and highly respected country, the first of many. Oh, that was on. Well, it was a tweet. Well, he posted it on Truth Social, and then somebody who runs an account called Trump Daily Posts, you know, they'll post his truths on Twitter. So this is it right here. Big news, huge. So this got posted, and then the fucking market went crazy. Look at the NQ. This is when the news broke. Look, 2045, 846. This was 840, 856. Like, this is when it was tweeted, but they knew. It was during that fucking 15-minute candle. Look at this shit. We fucking popped, and then we just kept going up. And right before that happened, gold was popping, and then gold went the other way. What up, Steam? You know what I'm saying? Just ain't right. The guy is so fucking powerful, and people hate him for it because they're told to. But whatever, regardless of whether you like the guy or not, just like try to like put all that aside and just pay attention to what goes on. There's a reason why. There's a reason why. What up, Cooking Trade? I don't know. It's kind of, I don't know what it's doing right now. It's kind of like not, I don't know what's going on here. What's gold doing? Because you know I love gold. So like I'm not even, well, I'm going to trade this one little fucking, here's something interesting. This is a rebill in wealth charts, right? It still has the same account number. It didn't make a new account number, a new eval number, which is interesting. This is the first, this is like the first 30-day rebill I've had with wealth charts. I just found that interesting. Steam seems taking a whole year off. Damn, bro. EM, what up? GMAT. TDS is real. Yup. Marcine. Coach. Curtis, what up? So that's what's going on with Take Profit Trader. Day 5 in the books. This is officially passed. So Friday, I should have my second one if I still have my first one, which I'm going to activate. This is day 2. So this one's passed. This one's day 3. So Monday, well, Tuesday, I'll have a 150K funded Take Profit Trader account. And I guess Wednesday, I'll have another 50K. Imagine I still have all of these by next Wednesday. That would be amazing. 3 50Ks and a 150K. So that's them. And then here's my funded futures. I'm still fucking annoyed about this. I hit the daily loss limit again on this account, but what's fucked up, trading gold, what's fucked up is I was right. I was fucking right. What number is it? 82? I was fucking right as fuck. So annoyed about this too. Where is it? Oh, right here. So the first trade I take, this is the shit that drives me fucking crazy. And gold does it. Gold does it. I put in, I get filled at 3417.6. I like to just go by the last 3 numbers, 176, right? And my plan, what I saw, what I thought was going to happen was we were going to drop. So I had my take profit. I got filled at 175, sorry. I have my take profit at 129. 175 minus 129. What is that? It's like 460 bucks. 175 because it's 46 ticks. Yeah, 46 ticks. That's would have been 460 bucks. What happens? What the fuck happens? I let myself get fucking top ticked and stopped out because the shit looked like it might want to fucking go up. And then what happens after that? Goes right eventually, not too one, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes later, it hits what would have been my take profit. Like I said, 80% of the fucking time my take profit gets hit, and 80% of the time I'm not in the trade. And then I let myself get yo-yoed around, and then I just got fucking fed up. And I just kept being wrong, even though I knew I was fucking right. And somehow I found a way to fuck it up, and I hit the daily loss limit again on this fucking account, which fucking blows because I hit the daily loss limit the second day I had it. And then I got 2 days in, I pushed it back over the, break even. I was at like 50,100 before the day started. And then I do this. And then this one, 84, trading fucking gold. I didn't fuck that up. Right here. I played the bounce. So I got 2 days in on this one. I'm at 684 bucks. But this is fucking annoying because I was right. I was right. And I let myself get literally fucking top ticked like a fucking little bitch. Literally got fucking like top. Look. Right fucking there. Let me zoom in on that fucking thing. Look at that. Right at the top of that wick. I got fucking so played. And this shit happens to me. I blew an Apex. I blew the funded account that I got approved on the third day. I was trying to push it some more. Actually, no, that's not how I blew it. I blew that yesterday doing, what was I doing? Oh, I got caught in a fucking dump and I just kept going against it. But I've blown so many funded accounts or any just type of account, mostly funded accounts, being right, but getting played, right? Getting top ticked or bottom ticked, and then letting myself get fucking yo-yoed around when the original fucking play was the play. Oh, cooking trade. My bad. I didn't see that. I was too busy yakking about what I did to myself today. Here it is. Here's all the different size accounts with Take Profit Trader. 30% off, no activation fee. The activation fee is 130 bucks normally. The 25K would cost you 105 bucks. For as little as 105 bucks, you could have a funded Take Profit Trader account where you could potentially get paid on day one, and you could get paid every single day. They're going on like month 3 of having this deal. Obviously, they're making a ton of money from it. You got bonus points. Yeah, I think you know what happens, Cooking Trade. I think if you redeem your bonus points, and I don't blame you for doing it. I think you'll have to pay the activation fee, but it's okay. Cross that bridge when you get there. You still got to pass the eval, right? But you know, if anyone needs to buy one and you want to support the channel, use the best code ZERODAYJay. So anyway, so that's my funded futures. Top Step. Oh, I forgot I have this fucking account. This combine that's halfway there. I did get my third $200 day in with these XFAs, so that's cool. So I'll show you the calendar, the performance stats. The leader's $30 more than the follower, so the follower's at like 1,590. Let me just double check that. Yeah, 1,590. So 3 days in, they're both looking good, right? I had a nice first day, right? Got $1,200. And then once I got over here, I was like, you know what? Could I have gotten more? Of course. But you know what? I'd rather just lock the shit in, right? Get another. It really depends on how the first trade goes. You know, if this took 3 trades to get the fucking $200 because I kept getting taken out and the spread was fucking me because Project SlipX was slipping hard. Like I took a screenshot. Watch this. On the first trade. I added on the first trade. Check this shit out. Watch this. Let me see if I can find it. I was so fucking pissed. I found it. Watch this. Watch this shit. It was so bad. Here's the screenshot. Look. I mean, shit. Imagine. I mean, this actually ended up happening, but that's besides the point. But look. I was up 280. I moved my stop down to lock in $240. I get taken out of this trade. It ends up being like 170. I'm like, what? Like, you fucking piece of shit. Don't fucking show me $240 and give me 170. And then I had another one that was like $60 and I got like 15 from it. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? I was so fucking annoyed. But whatever. We got the job done. Day 3 is fucking locked on 2 XFAs. Right? 2 more days of $200, right? Minimum. And that puts me at that has me taking $1,000 out of each account. So I would love to get that job done. Nonstop, what up? How many funded accounts do I have total right now? 2 Top Steps. I have 2 bulenox accounts that I have to activate. So that would be 4. I have a Take Profit Trader I have to activate. That's 5. And I have 4 Apex accounts, the ones that I'm waiting on getting paid. I'm waiting on my payout request to be approved since fucking Nam. I'm waiting on this one. This one I blew during Wednesday's session, which is very unfortunate because I was halfway to another payout after 2 days, but whatever. At least I got money. I got 2,000, but that's something I'm working on, you know, holding on to accounts for more than one fucking payout at least. But yeah, I got 4 here. Take Profit Trader, that's 5. 2 Top Step, that's 7. 2 My Funded Futures, that's 9. And 2 bulenox, 11. And I'll have a 12th Take Profit Trader on Friday. And maybe I'll have some more Apex ones too. We'll see. This shit just keeps going up though. Damn. Newts, what up? That's a pro. How is that a fucking? They say, is that what that is? That's what I saw those in there? I'm like, what the fuck is that? So you could pay $139 for a fucking activation fee. I noticed that. I'm like, what is that? Yeah. Woo. That's fucking funny. What up, NQ Scalper? Logan, what's good? Unbelievable, bro. Unfucking believable, Logan. Yeah, Curtis, man. You got to make sure you close out those take profit trader accounts. Non-stop trader. Yeah, I'm not worried about it, man. I literally have I have $8,000 in payouts pending here. And like I said, I am 97% confident that they're going to get approved. Like I know I didn't violate any rules. So we'll see. At least not that I know of, right? Traded pretty clean. But we'll find out. I mean, man, if these get approved, I'll be at $10,576 for the month. And then I'm closing in on another, 2,000 here potentially. So we'll see. I mean, if all this gets approved and then I get the $200 days in with these, I mean, I will match my best month ever, which is December. Steam. There's a bunch. Do you have do you have a My Funded Futures account already? Oh my God. Curtis, bro. Thanks, Nonstop Trader. Curtis, that's fucking. Why does it always have to happen on like some banger fucking account? Shit like that. Dumb shit. Yeah, G man. I from your lips to God's ears. I know I'm getting better. I know I'm getting better every day. Without a doubt, I'm getting better. Damn, this shit keeps going up. Not enough though. I need a big move. Maybe we'll get a big move during this fuckery here, new hour fuckery. So Steam, the best deal that you could get right now, because you've already had an account. If you didn't have an account with My Funded Futures, you could get 50% off any account as a first-time user, any type of account, any size, which means you could get a starter account for $48.50 when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. But in addition to that, if you already have an account with them, you could get 20% off starter pluses until the end of the week, until Sunday night. And then anything else you want to grab, you could get 5% off, like resets and shit. All of that you could do when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. Yeah, Coach Curtis. I mean, dude, it was you basically had it. Just do it again, bro. Now you know you could do it. Oh shit, that's awesome, Cooking Trade. That's good to know. I thought if you use a credit, like a reward or something like that, they make you pay. Fran, you what up? Yeah. Maybe I could get through this fucking stream without Butthole Lord fucking my shit up. You know what else they're doing? I posted a video earlier. I posted like an update video, and like within minutes, I had like 300 comments, over 300 comments, all bot shit, all fake bot shit, like using AI prompts to fucking pop, to fucking send them. Fucked up shit. And like I was like I was hiding the user on a bunch, and then like Like, as soon as I would fucking get rid of a bunch, a whole nother batch would fucking show up. So, like, you know what? Whatever. I don't even fucking care anymore. What up, AS? Pine Tree, what's good? Zach, what up? Interesting. Oh, that would have been enough right there. Where are we going? Are we going to come back down to the Asia high and bounce off of it? What's gold doing? Everything's moving really fucking slow. Is there a red folder event? The 8th, right? All of this shit's going to happen. 4 o'clock Eastern, 4:02 Eastern. We're going to have some UK shit. Like, basically, it's like FOMC. It's just going to be just like the FOMC thing that happened yesterday, but the UK. And the UK moves the market. And then we have unemployment claims at 8:30. And then Friday, you got some FOMC clown fucking speaking. Governor Bailey speaks. But we also have this big major conference from Trump. Big announcement. Huge. Matthew Van Zandt, what up? Hey, nice job, man. Yo, build that shit up. What up, FPL? That's all right, man. That's all right. Been there plenty of times. And I'm not the only one in here that's done that shit. So we got some new hour fuckery right now. Ooh, is this a Head and Shoulders? It's not a big. I don't know. This shit is moving so fucking slow. I wouldn't mind playing some fucking pass or smash right now, but I don't know. I mean, that would have been enough. While we wait for this new hour fuckery to figure out what it wants to do. Here's let me drop. Here's some links. Yeah, hell yeah, Matthew Van Zandt. Fuck yeah, that's right. What up, Nick? Take the fucking. You always want to take the max. Take as much as you can get when you can take it. That's how I like to live. You know, I'm not saying it's not a good thing to give yourself some cushion, but I mean, it depends on you as a trader. Like, I know myself. I know that I could easily. I've done that before. I actually did that with trade day. I could have taken more money out of trade day. Could have taken like 2,200 out of trade day, and I left money behind. And then what did I do the next day? I fucking blew the account. So I took 1,500, which is great, but I could have taken another fucking 700 or whatever. You know? So I don't fucking do that anymore. I just take the money. Whatever's available, I'm taking it. All of it. I don't give a fuck. Yep. Facts. What up, Urcon? It's true, Nick. So just so you know, Take Profit Trader, still 30% off, still no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. What up, Sean? And then we were talking about Apex before and how I'm still waiting on my payout request to be approved from fucking last Wednesday. Maybe it's because they need you guys to use my coupon code to get 80% off evals. 80% off any size Apex account when you use the best code ZERODAYJ. They need the money to pay me. That's why they haven't approved me yet. They're scrounging around for $8,000, which is bullshit. Obviously, I'm just joking, but someone was telling me on my earlier stream that Someone requested 55 G's and got approved like the same day. Like they requested in the morning and they got approved later on the day. So why the fuck? What the fuck is going on with this one then? I don't understand. It's only $2,000. I'll be right back. I gotta get my chargers. Don't go anywhere, guys. Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in his benzo. What up? I'll be right back. I need knee pads. But my name is. Oh, fuck. I just fucking fell. Need knee pads to get down over here. Fucking tile flooring is hard, bro. Oh, shit. Anyway, my bad, guys. My bad. What else is going on? Oh, so we were talking about My Funded Futures before. If you've never had an account with them, you could get 50% off any type of account you want when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. If you do have an account with them, you can save 20% off on Starter Plus until the end of the week. The 50% off for new users is good until the end of the month. And then 5% off anything that's not on sale is good for indefinitely at this point. So PSA, bulenox is 100. What is bulenox? 83% off option 1 for bulenox. 50K is the only account worth getting from them. Great Dane, what up? Yeah, 92 real people. 92 real people. Trade day is 40% off, I believe still. Best code, ZERODAYJay. If you want to support the channel, no big deal. If you don't want to use my code, it's okay. We're still cool no matter what. No pressure. Oh, man. Shit never gets old. Apex, My Funded Futures, bulenox, and Trade Day. Boom. Boom. Shakalaka. I think you can still get the 10K account, but they don't really, when they offer the bigger discount, it's not it doesn't usually get included in that deal. Ugh. It did confirm. I'm so fucking annoyed. I thought it would. What's gold doing? Oh, gold dropped too. What does the NQ want to? Yeah, see, look, Asia high incoming. Does it bounce off the Asia high or does it go lower? That's the question. What up, Slade? Oh man. Yo, Jim Blob. You said that earlier today, bro. Are you hearing that? It's not in my house. Is it your house? Bro, Jim Blob. Think you're hearing it in your house. Maybe it could even be your neighbor. I was hearing it one day and I thought it was in my garage and it was my neighbor across the street when their garage door was open. I'm like, oh, it's coming from their house. Thank God. Carbo Night, what up? Yeah, I don't know what to do here. This shit is moving like fucking at a snail's pace. I obviously want to trade, but if all we end up doing is hanging out, I'm fine with that too. Coach Calvin. Thanks, bro. Brandy Allen. Any size account is the same. So the lifetime activation fee is $130. And then if you go the monthly route, I don't know what you're trading. If you're trading Rhythmic, it's I believe 85 a month. I know for a fact that Wealth Charts is 85 a month, and I know for a fact that Tradeovate is $105 a month. So if you're not sure about your ability to hold on to funded accounts for more than 30 days, then go with the monthly route because it's cheaper. That was a happy little bounce. It didn't quite get to the Asia high is right here. It almost hit it. 232, 231.75. It came down to fucking 237. Interesting. Already up 13 points. Damn. Damn, son. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Fuck. What's gold doing? They're moving together. Gold and the NQ are moving together right now. So the head and shoulders pretty much confirmed, and then we popped after the confirmation was done. I got some fucking heartburn, man. Nate, hey man, you build up to that. You build up to it, bro. That's a nice trade. Really nice trade. 180 days, Erkan. 180 days. I can't believe I fucking missed both directions, man. Still waiting. All right, cool. Inactivity. What? What the fuck? Did they remove this? Is it no longer? Did they get rid of the rule? I can't find it. I'm looking right now on Apex's knowledge base. Yeah, I'm a fucking human. Yeah, look. Very interesting. What's up, Apex Trades? Oh, when I open the door, there's a squeak. I thought like you're hearing that shit, bro. I'm like, what? It's not happening here. Because that's a distinct noise. The fucking alarm beep, the smoke detector beep. When the battery, like, we had a bunch of those here. Like, these things are supposed to be good for like 5 years or something like that, and the fucking battery was just starting to chirp. Like those things went bad. I'm like, fucking piece of shits. And then you have to disconnect them, and when you disconnect them, the whole fucking house starts going off. It's like the worst. My dogs hate it. I can't find the inactivity rule. I wonder if they killed that shit. John Amos, what up? Oh. Oh, these moves are so fucking small. You know what I mean? I don't know. I can't. Not for what I want to do. I want to look. I want to go full port and get 15.25 points. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm just waiting for something. I might just not do anything. Oh, Jim Blob, what are you talking about? Accounts or something else? What are we talking about? $15.75 for a blow to blow to blow an account. One trade a day. Peter Schaap, yeah, it better not be smoke and mirrors. They said they were. They said they would, but who knows? Like, this shit is like barely fucking moving. I hate trading shit like this. I hate trading this type of price action. It's just, what are we doing here? This price action is putting me to sleep. I had a couple of opportunities if I timed it perfectly to get my 15 points, but like, I don't know. That's an interesting pop out of nowhere. But we dropped the same amount of points. Now we're back up to that same spot. It's just annoying. Yeah, it's way up there. Apex trades. It's way up there already. Look at where we were at. What's interesting is where we rejected right off of this fucking trend line. We're not like we fell out of this ascending wedge on the 4 hour, but we came back up anyway. It didn't even matter because of the news, because of Trump, because of one man. Let's see what the daily looks like. The daily looks pretty fucking crazy. This is the NQ. This is the daily NQ. Like we could easily fucking. If that tariff news is like, I don't know. I doubt it's going to be fucking China. What up, Elaine? Quang. Yeah, I mean, bro, pretty much. I haven't streamed this time. I haven't streamed at this time in a while. I wanted to take a trade before, but I don't know. Look what we're doing. We're just fucking chopping around. I don't like trading this shit. I'm looking to catch 15 points with 10 minis so I can pass this eval. I want to play pass or smash, but I'm not going to in this price action. I think my daughter's up, getting ready. Hold on, I got to say goodbye to my daughter. I'll be right back. BRB. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry, I had to say goodbye to my daughter. She's going to work. This price action is like a fucking snooze fest. What is this range? Like 10 points? 12-point range right here? Imagine if fucking breaks this and makes new highs. That'd be crazy. But I mean, wouldn't be surprised. We are just hovering at the high a day on the egg queue. Like literally 10 points away from the high a day. 9 points. It could happen. It's just moving in slow fucking motion. This shit is like, for me personally, this is like untradeable for me. We got a new 4-hour candle too, right? Yeah. Brand new 4-hour candle. We're basically right here at this high, whatever this was from last week, last Friday's high. And the last time we were that high before that was March 26th. But man, this shit's putting me to sleep. I'm already tired enough as it is. Mr. Begbeef. Jay Powell speaking right now? Yeah. Jay Powell's speaking in his sleep. Yeah, Jim Blob. I'm gonna have a bunch of those. I didn't log into my bulenox account. Let me log in real quick. Hold on a sec. I might have some right now. I just don't want to trade this shit. It's fucking brutal. Yeah, where's Harvey? There's Mr. Harvey hanging out with his boy. Let me log into my bulenox account. Real quick. I might have some fucking that came through already. All right. Let's see. Nope. I just have to. I mean, I will. Look at all these. These are all at 91% off. So I'm like, whatever. I'll just leave them in there. But I have two. I passed two after blowing the one I had. I had a fucking funded account at 3,200 plus through 4 days, and I fucking blew it on day 5. So fucking stupid. So we'll give it another try with 2 more. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, Harvey's not interested in this price action. Yeah, GMAT. It's Marvin. It's Marvin. Quang, I'm doing the starter. I like the starters. Where is it? These are starter accounts. Both of these are starter accounts. Funded starter accounts. Michael E., what up? Showing the dog instead of trading. I'm trying to trade, man. I don't. What are we doing? We literally doing nothing. Huracan, nice. Those are nice, man. Look, I get it. Like the shit adds up, but like if you have blown evals that are going to rebuild at 90% or 91% in Bulenox's case, me personally, I'm not canceling those. I'd rather have a bunch of those than get caught having to fucking pay more. I got like 20. I got this one came through, and I have like 27 on Tradeaway coming through in the next day or two. Oh, it's between the US and the UK? Okay. Yeah, Trump said a big country, huge. It's going to be huge. A major trade deal with representatives of a big and highly respected country, the first of many. Grok thinks it's India. That's fucking funny. All right. Nothing's happening. We're still going sideways. I mean, what the fuck? At some point, there's going to be like some fucking candle that we're all going to be like, holy shit. I just don't know if I'm going to be awake to fucking see it. Pimp Daddy. Who the fuck is this guy? Fucking great. Jerome Powell had a special message for everybody. All right, let's see this shit. He never said the UK though. Oh, he did. When was this tweet? When did he post this on Truth Social? Interesting. Very interesting. Thanks for sharing, Mr. Pimp Daddy motherfucker. Donna, what's up? Thank you, Quang. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I do what I can. Most of the other streamers are just entertainers. I mean, I'd like to. I don't know. What up, Jason? I fall into that category too. Shari, what's up? I do kind of fall into that category because I wouldn't advise anybody to trade the way I trade. Yeah, anytime, motherfucker, Pimp Daddy. Hell yeah. But I appreciate that. I really do. So I'm also glad that you weren't one of the people crying about me winning most of my trades on Top Step TV in the chat every time I'm on there. Definitely appreciate that. Alfred, what up? 50K. Well, on starter accounts, there's a daily loss limit. You could pass in one day. On Starter Plus, there's no daily loss limit, but you need to trade for 2 days. Expert, there's no daily loss limit, but you got to trade for. You could trade for 1 day. You could pass in 1 day on those too. Jack, boom, chilling, man. I'm getting ready to fucking go to sleep. Like, we literally not doing anything, and I got to get some. I'd rather get some sleep and wake back up and fucking stream again. Starter, yeah. All right, so on a starter, Alfred, 3,000 a pass. You could trade with 3 minis max or 30 micros. There's a daily loss limit of 1,200. You don't lose the account. You just can't trade for the rest of the day if you hit it. There's no consistency rule on funded on evals, but there is a 40% consistency rule on funded accounts. If you get it funded, there's a 40% consistency rule. There's still a daily loss limit. Max payout is $1,200. You need 5 days of $100 or more. That's the gist of it. You think DJT's is that a shitcoin, or are you talking about the Trump coin? Is there a DJT, or are you talking about the stock? Is there? Oh, this thing goes crazy. That thing goes crazy. I remember the shit went up to almost $100. I remember that. Oh my god, this shit is like, it's literally putting me to sleep, guys. Is gold doing anything interesting? Well, yeah, gold. That was the move. It's not even that much though. It went up 50 ticks. Gold went up, no, 150 ticks. Fuck. Gold. So gold hit this low right here and bounced 150 ticks. One mini is $1,500. Damn. This is where the action's at while fucking NQ is literally going sideways. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to make of this shit. It's just so fucking boring. Yeah, I know. I know, Alfred. You want the low of you to get broken? Like, I want to trade really bad, but I'm not forcing anything. There's no point. There's no point in me trying to, like, what the fuck are we doing here? You're more likely to get caught getting yo-yoed around in this chop, unless you time these perfectly, right? It's just a pain in the ass to trade. Oh, there it is. Still not a lot though, but that was something very short-lived. Be good, Mr. Beg Beef. Vero, what's up? You asking about my physical therapy? It was fucking, you know, it wasn't easy. I can tell you that much. Especially when she, you know, started started doing the force range of motion. That's never fun. Yeah, this is. I mean, I'm sure there are people that are fucking hopping in and out of this shit, or they have a bias, or they have a direction they think it's going to go, and they're just riding this chop out, and they're like, I got my, like, if they're going long, they might have their stop below all this chop, and then if they're going short, they might have their stop above all this chop, and they're just waiting for it to play out in either direction. But I fuck this shit. Fuck this is right. Gold was the way to go while all this was happening. 150 ticks. 100. Now it's come pulling back a little bit. But yeah, I mean, at least we get to hang out. But like, guys, I'm sorry I didn't take any trades, but this is awful. I wasn't really paying attention to gold. I was waiting for the yen Q to do something. And it basically, I mean, it looks like it might do something now, but like, okay. And it could easily bounce here and come back up and just start playing the same fucking game. I might, Quang, I might. It depends on what time I wake up. I'll definitely, you know what I'm always on? I'm always on for power hour. Thomas is able, what up? Yeah, it's very hard to trade this shit. Like, And we all know, like, I'm a degenerate and I want to fucking trade. I really want to fucking trade. I got FOMO, but I'm not for. I'm this. I can't fucking trade this shit. It's just not for me. This type of shit. It just ain't. Gold was the way to go. If you time this perfectly, I mean, 151 ticks is nothing to slouch at. That's more representative of what just happened. But this is just, I mean, it's not moving. Yeah, itchy trigger finger for sure. But yeah, Quang, I'm always on for power hour. It depends. If I wake up, I don't know. I might hop on. I'm definitely going to be on 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. for power hour, to and through the close. But earlier, I mean, before that, I'm not sure. Let's see. Anything? Oh, look! It looks like it might want to give it up. Whoa! Wealth charts. I mean, that was 20 points. That was a 20 point. Fuck, man. That was a 20-point drop from here down to here. More than 20 points now. 22 points. Yeah, I don't fuck with the tick charts. I'm not saying they're not good. I just don't fuck with them. I'm still trying to learn how to trade on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15, the hourly. You know what I mean? I don't want to try to learn how to trade on the tick chart too. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Zach. That's exactly why I'm not fucking hopping in on this shit. I hope you're short. Where did you enter? At the top of the range, or somewhere in the middle of the range, or the bottom of the range, or even before that? Because this shit ain't it. This ain't it. 240. It's not terrible. I mean, towards the bottom of the range before we broke out of it. I mean, we did break out of the range to the downside. You had 9 points. You might get more now. This is just so fucking slow. Watch it come down to the 200. God, I'm so fucking annoyed. Yeah, I could see 219. Yeah, and then this is happening, and I'm fucking missed it. So, fuck me. I mean, this is what we have to be excited about. 22, 23 points. We're basically like right at the Asia high right now. This is the Asia high. We're bouncing off the Asia high. Oh my God. Damn. It's already up 8 points. 9. Does it reject off of this bottom of this range again and go back down? Look. I mean, there's nothing wrong with not taking a trade. At least you're watching. Look, here's the Asia high. We wicked right below it for a split second. Bounce off of these the top of these candle bodies. And then look where we're at. Up like 10 points. It was 12 points. It's probably going to go up higher. Probably going to come to like this area right here. Jim. Then you got the 9 here. You got the 34. Almost enough to pass. Almost enough to pass an eval. Full ported. Yeah, I don't know. It's gonna go up more. Probably come up around here. I think Asia opens at like 8 p.m. Eastern. I don't remember the exact time. Manuel, what up? Manuel. Yeah, Eastern, I think. You know, we had this little fucking move down here and this little bounce here, but like as far as I'm concerned, like this shit was based, borderline untradeable. What up, Sean? I'm getting ready to hop off because like this is fucking whack. Let's see if it hits. Let's see if it hits where I think it's gonna hit, like right around here. Awful. Yeah, this is exactly why I didn't activate my Take Profit Trader account. I have a funded account I could activate right now. It's ready to go. I'm not fucking with this shit. This shit is just moving so fucking slow. So anyway, guys, I'm sorry I didn't take any trades. I just Bushido, Di Lorenzo, watching from his benzo. What up, kid? I'm getting ready to hop off. Like the shit is so bad. I wanted to trade. I wanted to take some trades, and I felt like the only opportunity I had to do what I wanted to do, which was play pass to smash, was right here. And it was just going so slow that before I knew it, we were down over 20 points. We went down from what, 51 to 26, 25 points, popped like 14 points, and now we're dropping again. Like, ugh. But yeah, this is fucking brutal. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna bounce. I'm sorry I didn't trade. At least we got to hang out, talked about some shit. Hey, let's hit refresh one more time for the road. See if Apex approved my payout request from 8 days ago. Not yet. Maybe when I wake up. If I wake up at a decent time, I might hop on for an earlier stream or an earlier, like a early morning stream, like a New York Open, after the New York Open type shit. But if whether or not that happens, I will definitely be on for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. if you guys want to hang out. So with that said, smash the like button on your way out for Trevor Leconte. Thank you so much for coming to hang out. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I will see you guys another time, all right? Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.